Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve bad image with the error code 0xc0000006 in Windows 10 computer. So this bad image with the error code 0xc0000006 is a software startup problem that typically occurs when a user attempts to launch a specific program, and the error message often indicates that a DLL file is either not designed to run on Windows or contains an error. So this error is an NTSTATUS code that translates to status underscore in underscore page underscore error. And the common causes include corrupted system files or DLLs, failed software installations or uninstallations, malware or virus infections, and improper system shutdown. And then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the antivirus scan. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type Windows Security, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at Windows Security, and then you need now to tap or click this virus and threat protections, and then click. And then once you open up here at virus and threat protections, then next step, then you need now to select or tap this scan options, and then click. So here now at scan options, then you can see now those which scan options you want to select. So either quick scan, full scan, custom scan, or the Microsoft Defender offline scan. Then you need now to select this full scan, and then click this circular icon, and then you need now to tap this scan. Then we need to complete the scan, and then this will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So after scanning here at Windows Security, and then we need to close, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to re-register the DLL. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to enter or type this command keyword. We need to copy and paste this command keyword regsbr32, and then c drive backslash windows backslash system32 and the DLL file name. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here, and then we need now to change the DLL file name. So whatever the DLL file that having error, then you need to enter here. So we need to remove this DLL file name, and then we need to change this. For example, we need to enter this backslash cdp.dll. So we need to copy this command keyword, and then we need to enter here. Alright, so you can see now that regsbr32 and then c drive backslash windows backslash system32 backslash cdp.dll. So for example, this is the DLL having error, and then next step, then you need to press enter. So a regsbr32 dialog box will pop up confirming the registrations of the DLL. So all you have to do is to click OK on that on window. Then after completing here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to close, and then you need to restart by clicking this power button here. So click restart. So after rebooting, and if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the deployment imaging and system file scan. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And the verifications is 100% complete. And then next command keyword that we need to type and enter. So copy this command keyword, dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut control plus C to copy this command. And then we need to paste and here control plus B and then press enter and deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully. So after completing this two command, and then we need to close the CMD. And then here at the power button, then we need to restart again. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.